Hello and thank you very much for clicking onto this video. I have to say I'm sorry about the lighting because it looks really weird me looking at it on screen. It's really late at night and the lights are obviously artificial, but it just looks really weird. And while we're on the subject of weirdness, my hair is absolutely full of conditioner. I've just decided to leave on because I'm trying to save what's left of it. So yeah, it is what it is. And it is another FabFitFun video. And this one is from the birthday sale. And the reason why I remember it's a birthday sale is because I was waiting ages on this actually arriving. It was ready to ship for a couple of weeks and there was no movement on it. And when I went on the forum, this is what I love about the forum. If you're a member of FabFitFun, you definitely have to go on the community forum on their website to find out all the latest information. And it seems to be the birthday sale. A lot of the UK shipments were slow going out, and even I think it's if you ordered one particular item, but I will talk about that more when I show you the item. But I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll talk about that in a minute. Also, I want to talk about they have been having sales galore. There's actually one going on at the minute. And I'm trying not to spend on that either, but they had some really good prices, so that's definitely why I ordered and why you'll see when I say the prices about some of the stuff that I've ordered. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to show you what I ordered. So here it is, and I have looked I've opened the box already because unfortunately, again, due to the forum, there were certain items that were missing from people's boxes, and one of the items that I actually ordered was missing from a lot of people's boxes. So I just wanted to check that I got mine, and thankfully that I've got mine, so happy days. So the first item that I'm pulling out is from Erin Condren. I know if you're into planners, she's a popular, I think, American. I'm not sure about if it's really popular over here, but I'm not really a planner sort of person. But I think these are little envelopes, just a little stationery bundle, envelopes and a paper. And they're pretty handy. And you get pencils as well. There's pencil markers or felt tips, whatever you want to say, but they are really pretty. I got it to use either myself or to give as a present, either way. And I know Erin Condren is particularly expensive, and I'm just going to try and open it without damaging it, but the packaging alone is absolutely gorgeous, and that's why it'll make a good present. It's actually cards. So I'm definitely going to keep it because I do find these useful. It means that I'm not running about at the last minute looking for cards, which is normally what I do. But lately I have been trying to buy card bundles. So there's an example. HBD, happy birthday. Happy birthday to my favourite person. So these are really handy because a lot of them can be to either, well, to a wide range of people. So yeah, really happy with that. And I think this was around about $10 or $11, which is really good. How many do you get inside? I don't know if it says, but yeah, 16 Erin Condren all occasion greeting cards and envelopes. That is really good for $10. Absolutely amazing. What up next? From Glossier. So Glossier, I've been hearing more and more about Glossier, and I really do want to look more into the brand, especially about their skincare. I heard a lot of good things about their skincare. I've been using their lip balm at the minute, and I think it's really good. It's not my holy grail lip balm. I have one in particular in mind, but it's very good lip balm and it tastes amazing, which is another thing. So this is Cloud Paint, And I think this, you could use this as a blush. Oh, it's a cheek colour? Seamless cheek colour, but I funny feeling you can use it as a lip paint as well. So it comes in really, really nice shiny silver packaging. I honestly can't remember how much this was, but I'll put the price down there. But I know there was probably really good savings on it. And oh, it's sealed, but I want to squeeze it out because it's one of those items that I sort of want to use right away and test out. I love these type of cheek colours. I have one at the minute from Becca. It's a Becca Leap. I cannot speak at the end of the night. It's a lip and cheek colour and it's amazing. It's just so soft, and this sort of look natural on your cheek, and sort of liquidy, creamy colour. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit out. Oh, and that is the colour there. Let's see when it's blended out. Oh, it's very, very, very strong. That's it there, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And I can't see any problem why you can use that on your lips too. Unless it might dry them out. I'll have to look at that up. But that is amazing. Whoop, and I just dropped it. Hold on a second. I actually should have tried it on my lips, but we'll get to that another day. Next up is the Soar Desk Mat. And I'm not going to open this up because this is definitely going to be a present for somebody. Because I did this again from a past seasons box. And I really love it. I'm using it myself at the minute. So I think it was only $7. So I thought it was really good. And I have somebody in mind for it. And it's just really pretty, useful, practical mat. Yeah. So that's that. What's up next? It's the Fry bamboo socks, and these again are from a past season. I think they're about $7, and they went out of stock or something. I didn't order them, and it's one of those things that I did have regret on not ordering them, because they are boot socks, and during the winter, well, it's not winter now, but I can put them away for when I am back to wearing boots. And you get 2 pairs, which I thought were really good. The grey pair and black pair. They don't they're really, really good for ankle boots, which I am wearing, but if you were wearing knee highs or anything, they are not that long. But for the boots that I want to wear, they're perfect. They feel really, really soft. I'm not sure what I expected bamboo socks to feel like, but they feel really soft, and I hope they wash up well, which is another thing. I never even looked at the reviews of these, but I think everybody liked them. What's up next? Right, this is another another thing that I've ordered before. It's a Miracle Leave-In. I heard absolutely brilliant reviews. I think there's different ones. I think this is the original one. I've ordered this before, and I've always made up little bundles for people, and I think I give this away. So I definitely want to try it because I've heard really good reviews about it, and I go through her products, especially conditioners, and especially leave-in conditioners, because it's good. It means there's no hassle. You can leave them in for a while without the need from washing them out right away. So definitely, and I think there was a really good saving on this as well. I think it's only $10, and to buy it here, a full size, would probably be about £20. So it definitely saved on that one. What's up next? Okay, it's another hair product. Again, my reasoning was this was a really, really good saving. Well, I'm not sure about the saving, but it's a really good product, and that's why I've used this before. It's a detangler. Sometimes my hair gets detangled, especially after I wash it. and 75 seconds. I'm not sure, depends on how long your hair is and what type of hair you have, but there's a really lovely smell from Unite products, including this one. I love the smell and the way it leaves your hair smelling too, so I'm really glad that I have ordered it again. What's up next? Okay, nearly finished. And it's another On Hide blanket, and it's the small size, and I don't know if you can see the colour. That's because of the horrible sort of lights. It is a rose pink colour. It looks almost sort of beige here because it's a very dusky pinky rose. I'll try and maybe I get a picture and put it there. Maybe it'll turn out better and give you an idea of the colour. And does it say the colour there? Rose. They call it rose, and it's definitely the small size, but it's 50 inches by 60 inches, so it's not all that small, to be honest. And the reason I got it, it was $15. That is really, really amazing. But what is sad is, and another reason somebody said that some boxes were delayed, was because of these blankets and because of one particular colour in particular, and that was the emerald version of this, which I didn't even know there was an emerald version, and I didn't even know it was on sale. And I think it's because a lot of stuff is restricted from the UK, and I think apparently these were restricted at one point, and then the release into the sale for the UK, and I didn't know until the last minute when they sold out. And I played the refreshing game and none became available, and I think it's because everybody wanted the emerald colour. It seemed like a really nice emerald green, and I think I would have went for the emerald too. But these are really handy for presents, and this is why I'm not going to open this one up, because it's definitely going as a present. And I think I've given everybody I know an On Hide blanket. They are really amazing and definitely worth the hype. I think this is the feel of it. Really, really, really soft, and they do wash well. The last item, I think there was a bit of a controversy over this as well. It's the Sanctuary Project necklace. It was available in a past season box. I think it's really, 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 really pretty. I'm going to get this to somebody, and it was only $5. But what I didn't realise as well, in the sale there was a set and for $5, and it included the necklace and jewellery extenders from Bubble Bar, which were the original set that was available in the past season, if you follow me. But it turned out, I think it was a mistake by FabFitFun. I think the $5 in that particular set was just for the jewellery extenders, and it just was listed, it wasn't listed properly. So a lot of people that had ordered that set found that their box didn't contain the necklace, so there was a whole rigmarole with that. But I only ordered this on its own because it's all that I seen, and thankfully it was in my box. I don't think you were able to order more than one. I think it was one maximum, because I think I definitely would have ordered more. They're absolutely, it's absolutely gorgeous. The other thing I like about it as well is the Sanctuary Project is a charity. So when FabFitFun ordered these, money would have went to charity, which is what I really like about it. So that is the last items. I mean, it's all stuff that I definitely felt as if it was a bargain, and stuff that I'm either going to use myself or I'm going to keep it to re-gift. There is a sale again. They have been going ham with the sales. There's a sale going on at the minute. I have a few things in my basket again, but again, I think it's stuff that I can use, although there's a mystery bundle in it, I might cut it back and just order the mystery bundle for the fun of it, because the mystery bundles have been amazing. So they have. I urge you to go on to the community forum again, because people post what they get in their mystery bundles, so you get an idea of what's available. But all of a sudden, yeah, the mystery bundles have been really good. People have been getting on hides in their mystery bundles, and also, yeah, Perfect Dreams dressing gowns and blankets people have been getting in their mystery bundles as well. So I thought, no, my luck though, I probably not get one, but I think I might risk it. I don't know. The bundles have gone up in price, but yeah, we'll see. Wait till the next video. If I have a mystery bundle, you'll know I've ordered it. So that is it. If you've any questions about FabFitFun, please post them in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, it is, I think, a quick video today. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye.